this is Sophie, your French girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're located in Puerto Plata. I'm going to show you a beautiful house in a residential. It's a 3-bedroom, very spacious, very nice decoration, roof all in a wood. Is very, very nice. So come with me and have a look. Like you can see, it's a very beautiful house, high ceiling, all the ceiling is wood, a lot of woodwork around, beautiful pool, garden, the view is amazing. So you have a 3-bedroom, you have 2 kitchens, because you can also separate a little 1-bedroom with his own kitchen if you have friends and you want they have their own space. You have a big garage under the house. This can be transformed in a full apartment if you want. You have a lot of options. It's very quiet, very nice. Like I say, the view is amazing. If you need more information, then you're looking for something luxury, close to town, in a great neighborhood, click the link below, subscribe, share, and like.